Welcome to another boom baclot video. It's your boy Mansa Mayne, back with another lit video. We're gonna be making perfect pancakes. You know what I'm saying? You might call them pancakes, but today we're gonna call them Mansa cakes. So to make the Mansa cakes, you're gonna need some Hungry Jack pancake mix, or whatever pancake mix you prefer. I prefer Hungry Jack or Aunt Your Mama. It's whatever you use. Oh, by the way, I got my boy Arjan behind the camera today. We're gonna call him cameraman AJ. The first thing you wanna do is you wanna open your pancake mix if it's not opened already. We don't measure around here. I know it says measure. If you making Mansa cakes, oh, you don't measure. So you got your bowl, wooden spoon. Always go with the wooden spoon. And we just gonna start pouring until we think we good. So we just gonna pour water in. So we mixing right now. We mixing. We need a little bit more water. Just a little bit more water. Just a little bit more. This is how you make your Mansa cakes, guys. We don't do no measuring. If you want to make true Mansa cakes, you don't use a measuring cup. Mix it up real good. Make sure you get that powder off the side. Gotta scrape the bowl. Make sure you get all of it off the bowl. Scrape the bowl, scrape the bowl, scrape the bowl. Now once you get your pancake mix all good and well and mixed, if you ain't got Pam butter, get you some Pam spray butter, you know. Real good. That's it, just 2 times. 2 times. Just want to preheat your stove real quick. Let it get warm. We're gonna take scoops of this 1/2 cup. Scoop the cakes on us. Scoop them on there. Just late night when you need me. We're gonna need a spatula. Make sure you get your spatula. Oh, you see that? Oh, oh.
That was awesome!
Yeah, hold on one more time for him. Oh. These is Mansa cakes, y'all. It's alright if they touch. It's alright if they touch. We're gonna wait so they fluff up a little bit. They'll start to bubble on top. Once you get that little bubble on top, that's when you know it's time to flip them, alright? Ooh, come on, look at them. Look at them. Look at this. Look at here. Look at here. Look how fluffy they looking. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
You see that? Look at this. Look at this. Bring it in here. Yeah, look at that. When you cooking Mansa cakes, there ain't no rules. You don't measure, you don't do none of that. Hey, these mugs about to be great. Bruh. They don't look too good right now, but I promise you they're gonna be great. Alright. So once they get done, put them on that plate, and you put your next batch on. Bruh. Hey Pam. Do a little swoop, 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 swoop. Like I said, get your 1 scoop. Get your scoop. Get your scoop. Hear it? Woohoo! Yes, sir. Now this is how you make perfect fluffy Mansa cakes. Bruh. This is how you make Mansa cakes, y'all. It's that simple. If you want to make Mansa cakes, you know what I'm saying, get you a box of this Hungry Jack. Matter of fact, if you want to make Mansa cakes, get you a box of this Hungry Jack or Aunt Your Mama. You can't go wrong with either one. This is the final results here. If you want to make these beautiful Mansa cakes, get you a box of Hungry Jack or Aunt Your Mama. You can have these wonderful cakes right here. We're gonna go ahead and pour this syrup on this nice stack of cakes. Oh my God. I like a lot of syrup. Make some, if you got kids, make some for little JJ, little Pookie and them. If y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see down in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.